I think Vanguard shows that even people that buy the S&P 500 don't do as well as the S&P 500 because they can't even behave in that way. But anyway, so what behavioral biases do you use for yourself or family or friends or people you love? Or do you think that people are just wired with that disposition or not? Is there things that someone could do, like strap people to posts like Ulysses? Like what do you do, or what habits have you done? Take a walk with the dog when you're frustrated, or like what kind of things would you recommend for the people that you love to protect them from themselves?
Yeah, usually when things go bad, I hide under my desk. That's my no, I would just say I'm human, and I guess what's good is if you have a plan and you know a process, and to invest in stocks, you really have to know how to value businesses. You don't
Yeah,
have to be right all the time, but you have to know how to value businesses because that's what stocks are. They're ownership shares of businesses.
yeah,
So unless you're going to do a portfolio like diversified portfolio and maybe have a systematic process like I outlined, or put into an index fund or something of that nature, you have no business investing in individual stocks because unless you know how to value businesses. So that's one of my skill sets that I learned. I went to school a long time. I studied it. I enjoy it.
yeah,
And I'm decent at it. I wouldn't say I'm great, but I'm decent at it and I'm very disciplined. So, and I know I'm going to be wrong sometimes, but I leave a large margin of safety between what I think something's worth and what I pay for it. And even when I'm wrong, maybe I don't lose much, or maybe I don't lose anything. Maybe I make a little, but not as
yeah.
much as I hoped. And so you have all those concepts in mind when you're picking stocks. And over time, I think we're pretty good at it. And the more I know something, the less upset I get when things go against me. Because when you think about it, unless you bottom tick a stock or a fund, even, or the stock market, unless you get the exact bottom, it's down after you bought it every time. It's almost
Yeah.
like you never bottom tick. So every time you buy something, it's down from where you bought it.